Hello everybody, this is Moses from ZAATAR Gardens, and this is episode 67 of Gardening Without Edits. Let me show you something really quick here. It's smoky outside still here in California, Central California that is, Zone 9B. Let me show you something right now. Let me flip the camera around. Let me show you something right now. This is my Dapple Dandy Pluot. Summer pruning, so you should be summer pruning right now. You should have been summer pruning this whole past 2 weeks to keep your trees low. So regardless, there's a whole bunch of prunings that I have done already on this Dapple Dandy Pluot. Let me show you something that is one of the worst things you could do to a fruit tree that I've known, that I experienced. But sometimes, you know, I can't check everywhere. It's hot, or there's too many bugs, or it's too much overgrowth, and I can't see. So it's right here. Do you see the pluot that's left? God knows how long that has been there. But that's a big problem. So once I touch this, I hope there's a whole bunch of insects don't come out of it or whatever. But leaving fruit on the base of your tree, or especially in the tree, is one of the worst things you could do. Now, this is not connected. This must have been up here somewhere and fallen into this cradle from the limb. But this is the worst thing you could do to a fruit tree. It can cause a lot of fungal issues, bacterial issues. It will be a condominium for insects. So ensure that you remove all types of fruit from the tree when the season's over. Make sure there's no fallen fruit in the tree as well, or on the floor. But the floor, for me, I have a lot of squirrels and things that clean up the area, so I'm not too worried about that. But in the tree, that's a big problem. Happy gardening, everybody.